What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Keon. I'm coming through with another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing the new CR1 portable tire inflator from Lasfit. Now, Lasfit is a company that produces high quality car parts and accessories, so make sure you check out their website down below in the description. And also, that's where you will find this product that I'm unboxing today. Now let's get to the video.
All right, here we go. This is the box it comes in. Like you see, Lasfit Air, all this functionality, parameters about it, as far as model number, battery capacity. It uses Type-C charging. The different vehicles you can use it on, and different items. So you can use it for a multitude of things such as your car, bike, or like sports equipment. Definitely like the design of the box. Alright, so you do get a traveling case for it. Very small and compact. Alright. Your manual. Alright. So looks like you get some hoses, 2 hoses. And this is the charging, or, oh no, this is the charger. It's for the charger. And this is to use, I guess if it's dead, you can hook it up to your car 12-volt socket. And it's powered with different attachments and adapters. Hard plastics. Looks like you get a flashlight here. This is where you plug in the cord for the car. Plug it in here. USB Type-C, USB Type-B, and the hose. We plug the hose in. So go ahead and use the red one. Turn that, push it in, and then you turn it to lock it in there. It might not even be charged up. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, you gotta hold it. So they have, you see the buttons on here. They have, you have your power button. You have your plus or minus button, and then you have the light button. As you see here. That's useful. There's been plenty of times where it's been dark, and then I don't have a flashlight. My phone's been dead, and I need to inflate my tire. So this is useful. I like this. So yeah, so you can just adjust the PSI, and it'll stop right there. You have your battery indicator right here. And these are just the different attachments for, like this is for a basketball or any type of sports ball. You just screw that in here. This is what the traveling case look like. Simple. All right, so after reading the manual, I want to reiterate some things about the display and the controls. So let me turn this off. All right, so to turn on, you have to press and hold it so the bars go across. Now it's on. You have your battery indicator here at the top. This first set of numbers, you have your the actual tire pressure. And so when you plug your tire, you plug this up to your tire, it will display the actual tire pressure and where it's currently at. And then you have your preset tire pressure. So you turn it on and it's going to inflate your tire up to this preset tire pressure. Here you have your tire pressure unit. So PSI, bar, kilograms per centimeters here. And you would change that by holding this. So this M button has two functions. It functions as a mode switch and a unit switch. So the mode switch, which here you have the mode indicator. It has car, like ATV or bike, and then ball. And then if you want to change the unit, you just hold this, and it will change the unit from bar to kPa, to kilograms per centimeter square. And then, like I say, push it once just to change the mode. And then you adjust the preset pressure down here with these with the plus and the minus button, and then of course your light. And this also has different modes. Yep. And then you turn on. Without using it yet, it seemed like it's a pretty easy device to use. Minimum buttons, easy to read display. It's very compact and small, and it's portable. So just have to worry about, just have to make sure you keep it charged up. Then you also get your ball needle. So this is for your basketballs, soccer balls, footballs. You get your Presto valve, and then your toy valve. But yeah, so I'm actually going to put it to the test. Right. First, we got to get a cold start. All right, here we are. We got my car out. My 2020 Mustang GT with a performance pack level 1. And as you can see, my tire is running low on air. We can check the driver's side, and that's the passenger side, so we can check the driver's side for reference. This is the driver's side. Passenger side. So actually, I'm gonna roll forward actually. All right. I just rolled forward a little bit so I could so the stem could be down there at the bottom, but I got my Lasfit portable air inflator here. Got everything I need. Everything I need in a small package. All right, bring that out there. Get one of the cords out. All right, I'm gonna use red this time. All right, put that in there. Twist so I can lock in there. Make sure that don't come out. Go ahead and twist that on there. All right. I'll hold the power button. As you can see, it's displaying at 8.5 PSI. I'll make sure it's in car mode. And set the PSI at 35. So it's set at 30, it's preset at 35 PSI, and right now it's at 8.5 PSI. So I'm gonna just
And it's as simple as that. And it's pretty quiet too. It's not as loud. I know the other inflator I have is louder than this, but this is kind of subtle. The battery is blinking. I don't know what that means. And then at 35, as you can see, it turned right off. Pretty cool. But it does need charging though. Well, I'm gonna go charge I'm gonna go fill up the other side before it completely dies. I want it to be. So this one is at 31.5. And just like that, it turned right off at 35. So that is it. That is very easy. All right, but my final thoughts on the CR1 portable tire inflator from Lasfit. I believe it's a very useful product. You know, the key highlights of this this product is that it's very portable. It's small, it's compact, comes with a carrying case. You can put all the accessories in that case, zip it up and store it, and pretty much it's out the way. It's not really in the way, taking up a whole lot of space. Easy to store is what I'm getting at. I like the fact that it's cordless. You know how to always have to deal with cords. The battery doesn't last that long. As you can see, I had my tire from at 8.5 psi and to inflate it all the way up to 35 psi. It took almost half a battery. So you're definitely gonna need to have the cord with you if you're in a situation where you have multiple tires that are severely flat. You definitely need that handy with you to going to be able to pull out of the situation. But yeah, other than the battery, it's very intuitive. You know, it's not hard to operate at all. Simple functions, simple display, great design with the two-tone colors. They do have more colors on the website. Make sure you go check down below in the description for their website, and also the website for this product, the link. If you need a tire inflator, or if you need a second tire inflator for different vehicles, I would encourage you to definitely go out and get this product. It's a pretty good product. And also check out their other accessories. They have lights, floor mats for different vehicles. So this has been your boy KeonComin'Thru, and I'm signing off. Peace.